G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just sharing with you what we've done today. This is a Saturday clean, after hours clean for one of our regular clients. This is a TAFE facility. As you'll see in the photos, the little clip we put together, it was heavily infested with mould. The mould had started eroding and damaging the surface up there, but we've come in and got the best results with the canvas we're working with. We used EWLP on this one. 2 utes, 2 pressure washers, 2 soft washers, team of 4, in and out in a day. We've done the entire building, front and back. But yeah, if you need a quote or got any questions, give us a call. High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast.
Thank you.